Neanderthals were long treated as Europe's original humans. Textbooks describe them as a population that evolved locally on the continent, adapted to Ice Age Europe, and remained isolated there until modern humans arrived. Their fossils were concentrated in Europe, their stone tools were found across the region, and the conclusion felt obvious. Neanderthals were European by origin, and Europe was their evolutionary homeland. Ancient DNA dismantled that assumption. Genetic material extracted from Neanderthal remains across Europe, and Western Asia revealed that their deepest ancestry does not originate in Europe at all. Instead, Neanderthals descend from earlier hominin populations that expanded out of Africa and spread into Eurasia hundreds of thousands of years earlier. The oldest genetic lineages appear in Western Asia, not Europe, showing that Neanderthals arrived on the continent after already evolving elsewhere. European Neanderthals were a branch, not the source. DNA also revealed repeated population turnovers within Europe itself, with Neanderthal groups replacing one another over time rather than forming a single continuous lineage. Some later European Neanderthals even show genetic input from Eastern populations, proving movement back and forth across the continent. Europe was not an isolated cradle of Neanderthal evolution. It was a region repeatedly entered, abandoned, and repopulated. Once genomes were compared across sites and regions, the idea of Neanderthals as uniquely European collapsed. They were a Eurasian population with deep roots outside Europe, shaped by migration and replacement rather than local origin.